In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a private page on a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to create a private page. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, click the Pages tab from the top menu. Click the plus icon to add a new page, then choose Standard Page. Enter a name for your new page. To keep the page out of your website's navigation, enable the Hide in Navigation option. This prevents the page from appearing in your site's menu. Next, open the visibility settings and choose how you want to protect the page. You can leave it public but hidden, protect it with a password, or restrict access to specific members or groups depending on your needs. Scroll down to the SEO settings and enable the option to hide this page from search engines. This prevents search engines from indexing the page, adding an extra layer of privacy. Preview your website to make sure the page settings work as expected. When everything looks good, publish your website to save the changes. That's how to create a private page on a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.